My new 2020 Super Grandad Library video channel. Lesson on library. And this is how to add your mug, your picture, to your library channel. So let's get over there without further ado. I've got a quick link saved to my library. Here's a quick link, look, as you can see. I post as @SuperGrandad, which is that one, so I can click on there, go there. This is my link to my library TV, and I let it boot up. Library.tv @SuperGrandad :F, lowercase f, that is. Right, and it's added my logo up there now. That's it. I've got 3 followers so far. That's nice. The only thing is, I don't know how you find out who your followers are. That's something that's not been shown. I haven't done my background picture yet, but to do this picture, right, the very first bit, click on over here. There's an edit button just there next to your name, whatever you've called yourself. Click the edit button, wait for it, go to the top, editing your channel. See, now what you do is it says URLs, thumbnail source, so that's the thumbnail, and we want it to be upload, and you click choose a file, and that is my logo. I will just open it with something else, not that, because I've already got it. Come on, open with my view, and there's my logo. You see, that's my logo, and doesn't quite fit, so pity, never mind, but it's very close. Close that, and there it is there. And it says my news 2020 @SuperGrandad library channel. LOVATT. Liking this channel a lot. And then there's all the other bits and pieces that you can put, description about yourself, whatever. And I will do that in another video, and that's how you do that. You're editing your channel, you go down to the bottom, click submit. As you can see, I've already got a video up here. You've probably already seen this video, and I'll just show you where the follow button is, so you can follow me. Follow, there it is. Click that follow button up there, or if you go to one of my videos, there's the link, copy. That's the quick link. This is the way to do quick links, so you can have, let's go, link to first video. There's the link, first, and it's not any old video. Link to first Lbry video. Link to my first video there. Copy all that. Now I have got a picture over here. I want a picture of my logo. I've already got it here, so I just go there, Control C, copy, go to this one. I want this. I want lessons. Put lessons out of the way. I want this, so I've got copies of it. Hey, there you go, there's my logo, and I've got a copy of my logo. Oh, and that's how we make our first logo and keep the information within a WordPad. So I can come back to my information if I make a mistake somewhere. If I make a mistake, I've got everything saved. And we can reconstruct things. Go follow. Click my follow button. It's not here, but if I click on this how to make printers ink and I slide down, you see there's a follow button, and now I can click on his follow button and follow him. I'm following EEV blog, I'm following Julian Eyelet, I'm following Learn Library, I'm following Michael H, and I'm following Robert Nurden. Yep, that's how it's done. So thumbs up, thumbs down. Don't forget, it's click the follow button on my library channel. Now click the follow, and if you want to give me a tip for putting this tip up, then click just below here, there's a tip button. So click the tip button, and it's not subscribe to this channel, it's called follow this channel. Right, thanks for joining my library channel. And if you want to get in touch with me direct, use john.lovatt.524 on Facebook, and or email me on howtofree@yahoo.co.uk.